In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1010 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now before you proceed, you would be able to see a link that is being attached at the description box below. All you need to do is you need to copy it, okay? But first, you need to identify your operating system. So how we can do so? Navigate at the button search bar here and type for info. Once you've typed it, please click on Open to continue and wait until a new window, which is your system information, would be appear. So here you can identify your operating system, whether you have Windows 11, Windows 10, or Windows 7, or any of that. And from here, you can also identify the system type. So this is very important since you can identify whether if you have x32 or x64 based PC. Okay, so once you have identified it, please proceed to the link that is being compatible or that is in accordance to your operating system and system type. Okay, once you have copied the link, please proceed at the button search bar here again, and this time please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, all you need to do is you need to proceed with the option called Open to continue. Now at the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the Windows search bar here and please make a right click and go with this paste icon. Okay. So once you have pasted, click on the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Now you will be redirected to this one where you can see all of the listed files. Please click on this download. Okay, top of that and proceed to download a zip file. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not, please download it and wait until it would be completed. Once done, please move the desktop to where you can see this one and please unzip the file. So there are two ways on how to unzip it. You can double tap to it and in that way you would be able to unzip it, or you can simply make a right click, go with extract all, or you can go with the second to the last option where you can use this WinRAR application to extract it. So wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. That would mean that you have successfully extracted or unzipped it. And this is the time that we need to bring up our settings. So at the button search bar again, please type for settings. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Please navigate to the option called Open. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please navigate to the left side where you can see Bluetooth and devices. Please bring it up and proceed to the third option, which is printers and scanners. So click on this add a device and please wait until the process would be done before we continue. So here, the printer that I want is enlisted. Click on add manually so that you can manually add your printer driver that we have installed. Click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Please click on next and it will ask you to choose your printer port. Use among of these three, or if you have HP printer port, you can select it. So in my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Go with next and click on have disk. Click on browse. And since our extracted file has been located at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop and scroll down on the list and proceed to your extracted file. Double tap to it once again, and it will show you the driver. So please click on Open, click on OK, and please select for HP LaserJet 1010. So click on Next, and it will be added here. Please click on Next, and this is the time that it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be finished. Okay, so I would suggest to allow for printer sharing, so click on next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box and you can also run to check if your printer is working properly by clicking on a print a test page. So click on finish and it will be added here, which is the HP LaserJet 1010. And if you would navigate to the devices settings, please click on it And please scroll down on the list and click on the devices and printer settings so that you can see if it's appearing there. Please tap on it. This one. Okay, so check if it's here. Yes, it's here. So HP LaserJet 100. I mean 1010, my bad. So by that, you can now close all of the windows being opened and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.